Hi, I'm Melissa Calvin, and this is my data protocol for AEP 858. It is color coordinated like a stoplight. So green meaning go, you would start with the student data. I would utilize Google Sheets and the formulas that we have learned to manipulate and import data that I was looking at for the specific topic or goal or subject that we're looking at. So then we would move on to yellow, which would be identifying what we want the students to know. So it would need to be very specific about, so let's say kindergarten, we want the students to recognize letters. Okay, so then you would move on from that and you would look at what do they already know. So it would be data from each child. Do they recognize the letters? Do they recognize the uppercase but not the lowercase? And it would just be analyzing what it is they know so we know where to start with our instruction. So once you know what the students know, then it's time to plan and deliver your instruction. So we know if they don't recognize lowercase letters, then we need to do some teaching and some working on that. As you're implementing your instructions and plans, then you would also progress monitor to make sure students are working in the right direction and making progress. The last light would be red in our stoplight, and that is when you would evaluate student achievement and then make necessary changes. So throughout the course of progress monitoring and ongoing, you can evaluate that as you go and then make the needed changes. Here's my graphic organizer. I left space for a title up here. It could be the subject, it could be the classroom that you're looking at, it could be grade level wise, however you want to title that. I tried to leave big enough spaces so that you could record lots of notes. The graphic organizer is also color coordinated like the stop sign. So starting with your student data, then identifying your goal, what do the students already know, plan and deliver your instruction, and then you would stop with evaluating the progress and also making needed changes. And then at the bottom, I've just left an area for additional notes, and that is my data protocol.